Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from the group of 8 want to present the topic 5G. Our group consists of 6 members including myself, Muhammad Farhan Syami bin Roshadi, Khairul Najla binti Zamri, Nur Dini Dayana binti Ahmad Kohmeni, Fahmi Ikram bin Muhammad, Fariz Izhar bin Zainal, and Aziz Haikal bin Mahadi. I want to present introduction about 5G. 5G is the 5th generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G network. 5G enables a new key of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machine, object and device. In telecommunication, 5G is the 5th generation technology standard for broadband cellular network, which cellular phone companies began deploying worldwide in 2019, and is the planned successor to the 4G network, which provide connectivity to most current cell phone. 5G network, which are predicted to have more than 1.7 billion subscribers and account for 25% of the worldwide mobile technology market by 2025, according to the GSM Association and Statista. Like its predecessors, 5G networks are cellular network in which the service area is divided into small geographical area called cell. All 5G wireless devices in a cell are connected to the internet and telephone network by radio wave through a local antenna in the cell.
Hello, I'm Fariz Izhar bin Zainal. My matric number is AA221125. Okay, today I want to present about theory and principle of 5G. Okay, in 1946, the US Federal Communication Commission approved a first mobile telephone service to be operated by AT&T in 1947. At this time, the equipment were bulky and had to be installed in a vehicle due to the weight and its excessive power consumption. From this point on, more than 3 decades of cellular communication technology evolution has led to a shift from analog to digital format of communication. Going from that was mainly voice to high speed data communication. Leading up from the mid-1980s, the first generation 1G of cellular communication, which mainly carried voice, grew up using formats such as advanced mobile phone system in the USA and Nordic mobile telephone in Scandinavia. This analog format were later replaced, moving towards 2G with the first digital communication scheme around the mid-late 1990. Global System for Mobile Communication (GSM) in Europe and Digital AMPS for the USA. At this point, the short message service SMS was introduced, being one of the first widely using non-voice application for cellular communication. Enhancement for 2.5G using enhanced data rate for JCM, application for JCM evolution, General Packet Radio Service GPRS, and Code Division Multiple Access CDMA. Spark the use of mobile data communication and early cellular internet connectivity in the early 2000s. This was an early enabler which did, however, require a specific protocol known as Wireless Application Protocol, WAP. Okay, moving forward from 2G into 3G, in order to meet the increasing demand for cellular access data rates, Universal Mobile Telemetry System based on wideband CDMA technology was introduced by third generation partnership project, which is 3GPP, just around 2000. We advanced in mobile user equipment technology. This This enables the user to not only communicate via multimedia message service (MMS) but also stream into video content. Okay, transitioning to 4G, long-term evolution (LTE) was introduced, which does not imply major change on the air interference, but was moving from code division multiplexing to orthogonal frequency division multiplexing and time division duplex or frequency division duplex. Okay, right now entering the era of 4G, there were mainly two competing technology at an early stage. These were worldwide interoperability for microwave access, WiMAX based on the IEEE 800 to 60 million, which is an extension of LTE. Okay, LTE-A, which is LTE Advanced Introduced Technology component such as carrier aggregation and improvement support for coordinate multi-point transmission and heterogeneous network deployment for improving quality of service in hotspot and coverage for cell edge users. Okay, LTE-A prevails as the dominant cellular access technology today and has served as the basis of the transition to 5G mobile communication. The transition from 4G to 5G is inspired by new human-centric and machine-centric survey across multiple industries. The principle of 5G is 5G wireless access is envisioned to enable a network society where information can be accessed and shared anywhere and anytime by anyone and anything. 5G shall provide wireless connectivity for anything that can benefit for being connected. To enable a truly networked society, there are three major challenges: a massive growth in the number of connected devices, a massive growth in traffic volume, a wide range of applications with diverse requirements and characteristics. Okay, to address this challenge, 5G wireless access not only require new functionalities but also substantially more spectrum and wider frequency bands. The current cellular system operates below 6 GHz. A large amount of spectrum is available in the millimeter wave frequency band, which is 30 to 300 GHz. However, there is no commercial mobile communication system operating in the millimeter wave frequencies today. 4G LTE is designed only for frequencies below 6 GHz. There are some local area network and mostly indoor communication system based on IEEE 800.1 LED and 802.15.36 standard that are operate in the unlicensed 16 GHz band. IEEE 801 lay a follow-up of 800.1 LED is under development. Okay. 3GPP is currently developing a global standard for new radio access technology. 5G new radio, which will operate in a frequency from below 1 GHz up to 100 GHz. 5G new radio should unleash new frequencies and new functionality to support ever-growing human-centric and machine-centric applications. Okay, lastly, the vision of 5G wireless access is shown in figure 1.3 at the report. Okay, wireless access comprise both 5G, new radio, and LTE evolution. LTE is continually evolving to make a growing part of 5G requirement. The evolution of LTE towards 5G is referred as the LTE evolution. LTE will operate below 6 GHz and new radio will operate from sub 1 GHz up to 100 GHz. 5G new radio is optimized for superior performance. It is not backward compatible to LTE, meaning that the legacy LTE device do not need to be able to access 5G new radio carrier. However, a tight integration of new radio and LTE evolution will be required to efficiently aggregate new radio and LTE traffic. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Khair Najla binti Samri. My number matric is AA220964. In this slide, I will present about two advantages. Firstly, one of the most significant advantages of 5G network technology is blazing fast speed. According to one study, 5G will save users about 23 hours every month in social media, gaming, music, movie download, and live streaming. The speed is possible because the increased bandwidth allows more network dedicated to each smart device. Next, lower latency. Lower latency is the interval between the moment when a device shares data to a receiver and the moment when the receiver can use the information. For example, you can measure the delay between a user clicking a link and the site loading in latency. 5G latency will significantly less than that at 4G, allowing users to connect to each other and the internet in the real time. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurdini Dayana binti Ahmad Khomeini, matric number AA220016. I will continue the presentation before. There is more advantages that we can get from 5G, which is 5G can increase bandwidth. A wireless network's bandwidth is essentially its user capacity, which means that more people can interact within the long range of their location. If you are studying overseas, you can contact your family using the 5G. 5G network can support and connect a significantly higher number of devices at once, meaning to say that large amount of participants can join online meeting at the same time. This allows the network to provide faster speed. Lastly, advantages of 5G is giving potential for new technology. Higher speed and increased bandwidth will likely open new technological doors for many industries. 5G is ideal for connecting smart devices beyond phones, such as drone, AI technology, and improved sensors in machinery. For example, driverless cars can become a reality, and storage clouds can become more powerful for securely storing sensitive data, such as medical records or online banking password.
My name is Fahmi Ikram bin Muhammad. Number matrix AA221398. I want to present about a disadvantage for 5G. First, we upload speed. Experts believe that despite its ability to have faster download speed, 5G technology have less upload speed compared to 4G and 4G LTE. This is another drawback of 5G technology. Lastly, cyber security risks. Another drawback of 5G technology is increase the risk of hacking, thus impinging on cyber security, lack of encryption during the connection process also makes the device using 5G technology easier target to cyber attacks and data theft.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello, I'm Azad Aika bin Mahdi, matric numbers AA221204, and I will present about summary of 5G. This 5G deployment methodology will allow digital service providers to leverage the power of cloud native network. This will enable the SP to operate at unprecedented level of speed, efficiency, and automation. This unique 5G network architecture enables monetization opportunities while also providing the SP with the reliability and flexibility needs in today's market. Secondly, deploying a cloud-native network enables the SP respond to customers' wireless needs and grow on demand. by deploying 4-6x faster than traditional deployment. This provided business agility and significant competitive advantage in terms of time to market. This cloud-native network will make it easier for developers to develop new 5G applications. This will enable developers, customers and partners to create innovative 5G solutions for customers using AWS API. After that, unlocking to potential of 5G and enabling business outcome by innovating and enabling cloud-based end-to-end 5G network that deliver consistent and cost-effective performance from core to edge, giving their customers on-demand control over their wireless needs. Lastly, this methodology encourages shorter development cycle of shorter time to value for end user, allowing them to deploy new innovative service in a minute rather than day. That's all from me. Thank you.